Hi, welcome to Spec Hunter. Today we're stepping into a new era of computing. This is a moment where artificial intelligence is no longer limited to big companies or cloud servers. Lenovo wants to change how we interact with AI. And with the Lenovo ThinkStation PGX, they want to bring AI power directly into your workspace. They want it local, simple, and ready for anyone who wants to build something new. Think of the ThinkStation PGX as a smart and compact entry point into the world of AI development. It is not a huge workstation tower. It is not a complex server. It is not an expensive system that only specialists can use. Instead, it is a desk-friendly device that you simply plug in and start creating with. It brings AI closer to you in a way that feels natural and easy. It does not matter if you're a student learning machine learning for the first time, a developer working on AI apps, a content creator using AI tools, or a business team exploring AI models for daily tasks. The PGX is made to support all of those needs. The idea behind this device is the first thing that makes it stand out. Lenovo did not build the PGX to replace your workstation. They built it to enhance it. The PGX works beside your existing ThinkPad or ThinkStation. It gives you the power to run and develop AI models locally. This means you get more control, you get more privacy, you rely less on cloud services, and you can experiment freely without worrying about server costs or sensitive data being exposed. For many people, this is the biggest advantage. Today, AI is everywhere, but only a few people understand how to actually build with it. The PGX changes that. It becomes a personal AI lab sitting right on your desk. It gives you a place to learn, test ideas, and push your skills forward. The design also matches this purpose. The ThinkStation PGX is compact and minimal. It looks clean and modern. It does not use flashy lights or a loud gaming design. It looks professional and serious, just like the other ThinkStation products. It feels like a tool built for real work, not a toy. When someone sees it on a desk, they instantly know you are working on something important. But the design is only the start. What gives the PGX real value is what Lenovo puts inside it. It comes preloaded with the AI tools you need. The frameworks are ready. The software is prepared. You do not need to configure complicated environments. You do not need to download a long list of dependencies. And you do not need to fight with version errors. If you have ever tried building AI models on a normal computer, you know how hard the setup can be. You install libraries. You configure CUDA. You set up virtual environments. You test compatibility. And sometimes things still break. The PGX removes that stress. It feels like opening a ready-to-use AI workshop where you can start creating right away. And because everything happens locally on your hardware, the PGX also solves one of the biggest problems in AI development today: privacy. Your training data stays with you. Your models stay with you. There is no cloud involved unless you choose it. You avoid the monthly subscription fees, and you avoid the limitations that many cloud platforms add for smaller users. For students, companies, and creators who work with confidential information, this alone makes the PGX a smart investment. Another important strength of the PGX is its ability to grow with you. Lenovo did not design it as a one-time tool. It is made to support you as your skills improve and your AI projects become more advanced. You can start small. You can learn the basics. You can train your first simple models. You can explore different machine learning frameworks, try new ideas, and experiment with data. As you progress, the PGX is ready to handle more complex workflows. You can scale up your development without needing a new machine. This gives you confidence to learn and expand at your own pace. The real magic begins when you pair the PGX with a ThinkPad or a ThinkStation. Together, they create a hybrid AI setup. Your main system handles your everyday work. The PGX handles the demanding AI processing. It becomes a dedicated AI engine sitting right beside your computer. It speeds up your performance. It takes on the heavy tasks, so your main system stays fast and responsive. You can train models while you edit videos, write code, design graphics, or prepare presentations. There is no slowdown. Your work stays SM. Oof. AI development becomes part of your natural workflow instead of something that stops your productivity. This removes one of the biggest frustrations many people face today. Long waiting times, slow training, systems freezing. With the PGX, those problems fade away. AI no longer blocks your work. It becomes something you can use anytime without worrying about performance drop or system lag. But what truly makes the PGX different is the message behind it. Lenovo is pushing for something bigger than hardware. They're saying that AI should be accessible. Anyone should be able to learn and build with it. It should not be locked behind huge budgets, special skills, or enterprise-only tools. With the PGX, they're opening the door for students, creators, small teams, and independent developers. They're giving everyone a chance to explore the future of AI with real hardware right on their desk. This turns the PGX into more than just a machine. It becomes a tool for creativity and innovation. Whether you're interested in robotics, automation, natural language processing, computer vision, data analysis, or AI-powered content creation, the PGX gives you a safe space to explore. You can try new ideas. You can make mistakes. You can learn. You can improve. You get a real sandbox to grow your skills. That freedom is extremely valuable. The compact size also makes it fit naturally into any workspace. It feels like the AI brain of your setup. Quiet, ready, powerful. And when you combine it with Lenovo's larger ecosystem, ThinkPads, ThinkStations, monitors, and accessories, you get a complete AI-focused environment that feels designed for the future. Everything works together smoothly. If you're watching this and wondering if you actually need something like the PGX, the answer is simple. If you only want to use AI tools, the cloud is enough. But if you want to build AI, if you care about privacy, if you want full control over your models, and if you want to grow your skills, then the PGX becomes a strong choice. It gives you a personal launchpad into the world of artificial intelligence. Lenovo did not try to overcomplicate anything. They focused on what matters. They focused on making AI development simple, approachable, and scalable. They focused on helping people take the next step in their creative and technical journey. And that is what makes the PGX so exciting. It is not just for experts. It is for anyone who is curious, anyone who wants to learn, anyone who wants to build something new. This has been Spec Hunter, where we explore technology that inspires growth, creativity, and the future. If the Lenovo ThinkStation PGX sparks your imagination, and you feel ready to bring AI into your workspace in a new and meaningful way, this device might be the right next step for you. Until next time, stay curious, stay focused, and stay innovative. For more videos, please like and subscribe to the channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates.